I interrupt you?
Yeah.
I need a little bit of your time.
Yeah.
Okay, I have some questions. I'm a research student.
Okay.
Can I ask you about your support to BJP? Why BJP? Why so much enthusiasm? If it's
Yeah.
okay, I can record.
Yeah, you can. I'll tell you. So, you can see these four people, right?
Yes.
We are from a group called Namo for PM.
Namo for PM.
Yeah.
Okay.
Namo for PM volunteers.
It'll be a little loud.
Yeah, Namo for PM Bangalore volunteers.
Okay.
What we have been doing for last 6-7 months is we started with registering voters.
Okay.
Right. We facilitated voter ID registration for a lot of voters in and around Bangalore. We did around 50,000 voter registrations. And then we all are working professionals. We all work in IT industry, in different companies.
Bangalore, all are Bangalore.
Yeah, all are working in Bangalore. All are from different parts of India, by the way.
Okay.
He's from Kerala, he's from UP, I'm from UP, he's from Bihar. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, this question, why we are supporting Modi? Now, being in this industry and having seen so many governments, having seen the phase the country is going through, I think the only solution that we have is one person who is incorruptible, who does not have any, motive for himself, right? And that is Narendra Modi. He defines development. If you see see the speeches in different rallies, he has never coined any controversial thing. He has never talked about religion. He has never talked about casteism. What he has talked about is development A, corruption B, and sabka saath, sabka vikas. Unlike some other parties, for example, a lot of my friends, not a lot of them, but yeah, a few of them are supporting AAP at this point of time. I find it very funny because it's so apparent that these people, right, who are supporting these people in AAP, they have only one motive, only one agenda, and that is they want to be in power. They are power-hungry people. I mean, see the kind of things that they have done in the past.
So, did you ever support the Congress or any other party before this?
Well, we did support the ideology of AAP when it started.
Okay.
Because they said that they are anti-corruption.
Right.
And we want this corruption to be rooted out.
So it is very interesting. We were there when Aam Aadmi Party started in Bangalore, in New Horizon College in Indira We were there.
Okay.
Initially, we supported them, their ideology, but the way their leaders have behaved, it's not good. It's not good. We don't need a leader who will run away in few days. We need a leader who will stand for us, who will fight, and who will keep the nation together.
There's a difference between 12 years of governance and 49 days of governance. 12 years of a stable, strong governance which defines, you see, go to Kutch. And I was told that, I'm not a person whom you will say that, this is super cool, and I believe that. So I went there, I did my research bit, and I saw that Gujarat has really developed. If you see Kutch, the region of Kutch, which was totally decimated after the earthquake, the way it has developed, Kutch has the best of infrastructure in India, if you see. This guy believes in work and nothing else. And I believe that if he comes, there is a chance that we can be proud of this India.
What about the manifesto came out just yesterday, right? What about all the criticism that he spoke?
What you have heard about the manifesto?
Right.
Is the last page 3 lines?
Correct.
Is that what you have heard? The other 40 pages were never discussed, which include infrastructure, manufacturing.
So I'm talking about that. The media is only discussing about the last 3 pages. So what do you have to say about it?
Exactly. So it is a kind of, if I say it's a kind of vested interest in
Yeah,
India,
yeah.
which they are not discussing. Okay, I don't know, but
And moreover, these are the bread and butter for media, right? Obviously, they have to survive, so they see the pages. Like 52 pages are there for in manifesto.
But
they have only concentrated on the last 3 pages.
Right.
So you can see the media mindset. Like even they want to sell their papers. So obviously, if they'll put these kind of headlines, people will more attracted to it.
I'll tell you as a person who is working on ground with volunteers, with working professionals as volunteers, I believe even if the mainstream media doesn't show the manifesto, people here in Bangalore and the youth all over the country has enough resources to go and research, and they've done it themselves. So it doesn't matter as of now.
Modi is just not another alternative, it's the best
And only alternative in India.
Thank you.
Sabka saath, sabka vikas.